Hey guys, this is Nick from Nick's Tech, and today I have a tutorial on how to use your PS3 or Xbox 360 controller on your PC for use with Minecraft, or really any other games, but I included some presets for Minecraft, so let's get into it. What you're going to want to do first is open up your internet browser and go to nixtech.net/Minecraft controller. And scroll down here, and I have the downloads right here. For an Xbox 360 controller, we have the 32-bit and 64-bit versions, same with PS3. In this video, we're gonna set it up for the Xbox 360 controller. For the PS3 controller, there's a link in the description. It's a separate video for that. I'm running a 64-bit version of Windows, so you can go ahead and save whatever version you have. Right click Save As. I'm going to save it to my desktop, make it easier for you. It's already downloaded. Here it is right there. And we can extract that. There's an extracted version. You can delete the old zip. There's a PS2 one right there, by the way. But alright, so you can open up the folder, and it's got 4 basic things in it. It's got Xpadder, which will assign the keyboard buttons to your Xbox controller buttons, or actually vice versa, isn't it? Okay, and then little README file, a text document that contains the links to the controller drivers, because you got to install that, and then some files for Xpadder right there. So what you're going to want to do first is open up this text file and download the drivers for your controller. You can either copy it from this text file, or I also placed the links in the description for this video. So there's 2 different options. You have a normal controller and a wireless controller, but keep in mind they both got to be plugged in by USB. So I'm just going to download the files for a wireless controller, so I'll copy that, open up the web browser, paste that, and you'll come to the download page for it. I'm running Windows 7 64-bit, so that's what I'm going to download. Now I'm going to save it on my desktop again. So there it is right there. So you can run and install that. Hit yes, I accept, next. It's gonna install for you. Alright, we have successfully installed the Microsoft Xbox 360 accessories software. Press the guide button to show the status of your device. Okay, so we can finish. And no longer need that now, because that's installed. Right? Let's see. Yep. It's right there. So let's open this folder back up. And you know, actually, now you can plug in your Xbox 360 controller via your USB cable into your computer. Alright, now that you have your controller plugged in, you can go down to Start, All Programs, Microsoft Xbox 360 Accessories, and click the Accessories status. And that's what it should show on the bottom there, showing you're connected as player 1. Alright, so moving on, now what you're going to want to do is open up Xpadder, and if you're running Windows 7, you're going to have to right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, and tick the checkbox Run this program in compatibility mode, and select Windows Vista and apply that. If you're running in Windows XP or Windows Vista, then you're fine, you don't need to do that. You can just open it right up and click Start, Program Location, Associate, and here's Xpadder. So first you can click Open, and then click Xpadder Files, Xbox 360 Controller. It loaded up the Xbox 360 controller preset I made. So you can press the buttons on your controller, see how it works. Everything's working for me. And now you can open up the profile for Minecraft. Go back to the Xpadder Files folder and click Minecraft for Xbox 360 controller. And now it has all the buttons for Minecraft assigned to your controller. So these are the buttons I assigned to the Xbox controller because this is what I thought worked pretty well for me. I tried it out. I tried a couple different combinations. I have jump here, your inventory here. You can switch to third person here. Q throws a selected object. Pause goes to the pause screen. T will control fog, I think. Or no, T's not fog. T will control the chat functionality for multiplayer. And then you have WASD, the moving buttons. This, for the directional buttons, is the scroll wheel on your mouse, which does, it changes the hotbar. It goes left and right on the hotbar. Same thing with the triggers. And then on the bumpers, I have left click for the right one and right click for the left one. That works out pretty good. And if you ever want to change anything, you can just click on the button and assign it to whatever button on the keyboard you want. You can also change the sensitivity on how fast the mouse will move by going to the right stick here and click mouse settings. You can change the speed right here. I found that actually all the way up to 80. Wait, oops. Yep, 80 works out pretty good, so I'll move it to 80. So that's all you gotta do. You can just minus out of that and let it run in the background. Minus out of that. And now let's try some Minecraft. And I am using my Xbox 360 controller. There we go. It is working great. Use the right stick to look around you. Use the left stick that simulates the WASD, the movement buttons. Use the directional buttons or the triggers to change what item you have on your hotbar. And the rest of the buttons that I showed you earlier on Xpadder. If you have any problems, just let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe for tech and gaming news, reviews, tutorials, and gameplays.